Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to buy gold right here on FXCM. And if you want to buy gold, we can click right here on commoditize, click on that, and then you will find right here gold. Then we can click here on gold, and now he is opening right here the gold chart. And now we want to buy ourselves gold. So what we're going to do is click right here on buy. Then we fill in right here the contract. So let's do 10. Then we will buy 10 ounces of gold. And then if you click right here on buy gold, we will buy automatically gold. But you can also click here on advance and then create a stop or limit order on it. And if you want to do that, you also do on risk management. So that is very smart to do. And then be careful, because if you click right here on buy, he will buy automatically the gold that we just created. So there it is now. So this is how you can buy gold right here on FXCM. Hopefully this was the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.